Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you've encountered Windows Update error 0x80246019, then watch this video for the solution. The first thing we need to do is run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. So we'll right click on the start button, go to settings, click on system and then scroll down for troubleshoot and then go to other troubleshooters and then we will click on the run button corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Once we have done that, we will go to the disk cleanup, click on OK, and then we will clean up the system files, which will clean up the Windows Update file. And you see, clean up the Windows Update file and click OK, click on delete files and wait for it to delete the files. The next thing we need to do is to run an SFC scan. So go to command prompt, right click on it, click on run as administrator, yes, and then input the command sfc space slash scannow and press enter and wait for the scan to run. After that, we need to click on the start button, the power button, and restart the computer. Now this update error should no longer show, but if it does, then we need to install the updates manually. For that, we will go to the browser and search for Windows Update Catalog and then click on this link, and then we will input the present month 08 space 2024 and click enter. Now folks, if you're into the next month, say in September, and you're trying to check before September 15, then probably it will show you error because it's only after 10 or 15 days Microsoft releases an update. So it is taking time for this to work. Okay, and then we will now download the cumulative update for Windows 11 because I have a Windows 11 version. If you have Windows 10 version, then you can download this, and we need to check for what system. So this is for the x64 based system. How do I know if I have an x64 or an x86 x32 based system? Is I will look for system information and I will click on this, and then I will look at the system type. Mine is an x64 based PC. If yours is an x86 based PC, then you need to download for the x32 version. So let's look for x64 Windows 11 cumulative update for x64 based systems. This is for the 24H2. So I will click on download and I'll click on the MSU file and it should download. After it downloads, I will then click on the installer and it should install all the updates. Once that happens, then restart the computer by going to the start button, pressing on the power button and pressing on restart. And once the computer restarts, you should no longer face this Windows update error issue. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.